How to print from laptop to printer. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily print from your laptop to your printer. So the first thing you're going to have to do is make sure that your printer is connected. Go ahead and open up your start menu and go to settings. Once you open up your settings, head over to Bluetooth and devices. Once here, you can just scroll down and find this section printers and scanners. Just tap on it. And if your printer is wireless, make sure that your computer as well as your printer is connected to the same network. Or if you are using a Type-C cable or any other cable, USB cable, you could just go ahead and connect that to your printer. Now, if you haven't already, you can click on Add Device. It's going to search for printer, and if there is any printer available, it's going to show you. Or you can just go ahead and click and add device manually. So enter your printer name, add the IP or host name, and all of these stuff. Once your printer is added, you can just go ahead and open any document you want. So let me just go ahead and open these files. And I have a new Word document here. So let me just quickly open this up. Once you open up your new document, here, all you have to do is simply go ahead and click on this file option at the top left, and then simply go ahead and go to print. Or there is a really quick shortcut that you can use. So if you just go ahead and open up your file and press Ctrl+P on your keyboard, it's going to take you directly to this. And click on this drop down, select your desired printer. And right below here, you are able to change different settings, like how many pages you want to print out. If you want to print one-sided or both-sided, you could also add a collated or uncollated. Then you can select the size of the paper. And once all of that is done, click on this print option, and you should be able to print out your document. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.